Hello dear ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear beautiful ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and stunning collection of summer wears midi dresses for ladies and girls. So in this video you will find out more than 100 plus design ideas of floral midi dresses for ladies and girls. So must watch this video till the end. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of floral midi dresses. So you will find out A-line style dresses, you will find out belted style dresses, flare style dresses, umbrella style midi dresses, short frock style dresses, different neck designs and different sleeve designing ideas. I hope so you will love these designs. You will find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric and different prints. You will find out half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, quarter sleeve designs. You will carry these styles of dresses for your daily work wears, for even you will try these styles of midi dresses for your party wears. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. So must watch this video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. If you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses, so please dear ladies and girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So for getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer wears floral midi dresses for ladies and girls, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, dear ladies. So must you share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will find out different and amazing styles of dresses on my channel. So you will find out mother of the bride dresses, layer style dresses, maxi style dresses, floral midi style dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas you will find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel. So as you can see, different and stylish dresses of outfit for ladies and girls, midi dresses, short frock style dresses, skater style dresses. all over print styles. You will be find our cotton fabric dresses, you will be find our chiffon fabric dresses, patchwork style dresses, belted style dresses. I hope so you will love these designs, so must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.